Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really trying to cut through some of the noise around building websites these days.
Yeah, there's a lot out there.
Right. Our mission is basically to take this pile of info you sent overall, promising you can build these amazing websites without limits and, figure out what these platforms really offer.
Exactly. We're looking beyond just like simple page builders. We're diving into platforms that claim they can pull together really slick design tools, full-on business solutions, even AI, all in one place.
Mm-hmm.
And the big question we're tackling is, can someone with absolutely zero coding background actually build something complex, something professional using these tools?
That is the question. So our journey today is going to hit three main areas. First, just how fast and easy can you actually get a site up?
Speed factor, yeah.
Then second, how deep do these integrated business tools go? Is it really a full management hub?
Right, the all-in-one promise.
And finally, the stuff you don't usually see but absolutely need, that rock-solid foundation, the infrastructure, the security. How solid is it?
Okay, good plan.
Okay, so let's dive right in. Let's talk about speed. If I decide, like right now, I need a website for a new project, what are my main options to get something online fast? What do the notes say?
Well, there are basically two main paths right now. Path one is the really cutting edge one, the AI website builder.
Okay.
You pretty much just tell it what you want, what your business is, what your goals are, and the AI generates, well, a unique website structure for you.
Instantly.
The materials say a full draft can be ready in minutes. Minutes, not days or weeks.
Wow, okay, minutes.
Yeah.
That completely changes the game for just getting started. What's path two?
Path two is more classic, but really supercharged now, using templates.
Right, templates. But are they just generic?
Not according to this. We're talking a huge library, like over 900 free ones. And they're professionally designed, specifically tailored for different businesses.
Like what kind of businesses?
Oh, anything. E-commerce stores, service businesses that need booking, nonprofits, portfolios for artists or designers, restaurants, you name it. And what's really interesting here, I think, is how both paths tackle that fear people have, that feeling of being overwhelmed.
Information overload, yeah.
Exactly. Whether you use the AI or grab a template, the promise is you can build something high quality without touching code. It's mostly drag and drop, really intuitive.
That lowers the bar significantly.
Yeah.
And you can just try it out. What's the initial risk?
Almost zero, based on the notes.
Yeah.
You can start building, explore the whole thing for free, no credit card needed up front.
Okay, that's pretty compelling for just getting your feet wet.
Definitely.
Now, let's say you've got that draft site, either from the AI or a template. Now you want to make it yours. Customization. How far can you really go if the promise is without limits? Is it just moving boxes?
Right. This is where you go from just having a website to having your website, your brand. So yeah, the drag and drop is there for the basics, arranging text, images, buttons, sections, all that. But the real power seems to come from the built-in design tools. We're talking more advanced stuff, custom fonts, managing detailed color palettes.
Yeah.
And importantly, it blends these features with AI tools that can suggest layouts or help you refine your content.
But what if you do know some code?
Yeah.
Like, say, I know CSS, or I want to embed some custom JavaScript. Does it lock you out, or can you get under the hood?
Good question. That's always the tension, right?
Oh.
Convenience versus control.
Yeah.
So while most people will probably stick to the visual editor, the research did highlight these developer modes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you're more advanced, you can jump in, add your own custom code, work with APIs, manage databases, but you're still leveraging the platform's main infrastructure.
So you get the easy route, but there's an escape hatch if you need more power. That's key.
Exactly. Convenience, but with that option for full control.
Stepping back a bit, what did the analysis say makes a good website today? It's not just looks, right?
No, definitely not just looks. A good site needs that blend of, well, beautiful design, sure, but also fresh, interesting content. And maybe most importantly, navigation that's super intuitive.
Easy to get around.
Yeah. The goal isn't just to impress people, it's to guide them.
Right.
Get them to sign up or buy something or contact you, whatever that next step is.
Makes sense.
And the materials were really clear on mobile optimization too. Your site has to work beautifully on phones and tablets. The editor needs to make checking and tweaking that mobile view really easy, non-negotiable.
So the platform kind of guides you towards best practices, like having clear calls to action and thinking mobile first.
Sort of acts like a built-in checklist, yeah.
Okay, let's pivot. If we connect this to the bigger business picture, you said it's more than just pages. It's about running the whole show.
This is where it gets really interesting, I think. It stops being just a website builder and becomes more like a business operating system.
Hmm.
It's designed so you can manage your entire operation, basically, from one dashboard.
So what kind of tools are we talking about? Things you'd normally pay separately for?
Exactly. You've got full e-commerce built in, sell products, digital stuff, subscriptions, whatever.
Mhm.
There's a complete scheduling system, handling bookings, managing staff calendars, different services.
Wow.
You could even run online courses or manage event registrations and ticketing, all from the same place.
So that covers a lot of the front-end stuff, sales and services. What about the back office? Managing customers, tracking money. That always seems like a mess of different tools for small businesses.
Right, and that's where the consolidation really shines. There's a unified payments section, accept payments online, send invoices, track all the financials.
Okay.
And crucially, there's a built-in CRM solution.
Okay, stop there. CRM, for listeners who aren't familiar, what exactly is that, and why is having it baked into the website such a big deal?
Right, good point. CRM is customer relationship management. Think of like a super smart contact list. It tracks every single interaction someone has with your business.
Every interaction.
Yeah, like when they bought something, if they booked and canceled, what marketing emails they opened, maybe notes from calls, all of it. And having it integrated means when someone does something on your website, like they log in or buy something, or even just leave something in their cart, their CRM profile gets updated automatically.
Ah, so no manual data entry between systems?
Yep, exactly. You can personalize your marketing, your support, everything, because the website actions instantly feed the customer record. It saves a ton of time and potential errors.
The convenience sounds amazing. But does bundling everything together like that create risks? I mean, putting your finances, your bookings, your customer data all in one basket. Isn't that serious vendor lock-in? What if you want to leave?
That is absolutely the trade-off. It's a real tension. The upside is huge efficiency, probably lower costs than paying for 5 separate tools, right?
Yeah, definitely.
The downside is dependence. If you decide later you want to switch platforms, getting all that integrated data, your CRM history, payment records, booking data out cleanly, can be tricky. It's that classic dilemma. Do you optimize for maximum convenience now or maximum flexibility later?
Something business owners definitely need to weigh up. Okay, let's shift gears to the foundation. The infrastructure. The stuff most users never think about, but everything depends on it.
Engine room, yeah.
We're talking about platforms supporting millions of sites. What kind of guarantees does a small business get for, like, speed and just keeping the site online?
Well, you're essentially buying into a massive industrial strength setup. For speed, they engineer the sites for fast loading times, which is critical.
Right.
But the real peace of mind comes from reliability and security. The platforms use multi-cloud hosting.
Okay, multi-cloud hosting. Break that down. Why is that better than just, normal hosting?
Think of it like this. Standard hosting might put your site on servers in one physical location. If there's a power outage there or a server fails, boom, your site's offline.
Okay, yeah, bad.
Multi-cloud spreads your website data and the services it needs across several different cloud providers in different geographic locations. Multiple clouds.
Ah, redundancy.
Exactly. Massive redundancy. This means incredibly high uptime. The figure quoted is 99.99%, even if you suddenly get way more traffic than usual. Plus, you get automatic disaster recovery and worldwide CDN coverage.
Okay, CDN, what's that? Why does, a local bakery care if their cake photos are hosted globally?
Right. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. It's basically a network of servers spread all over the world that store temporary copies caches of your website's content, especially the heavier stuff like images and videos.
Okay.
So when your customer down the street visits your bakery site, their browser doesn't have to fetch that big cake picture from a main server maybe hundreds of miles away.
It grabs it from somewhere closer.
Exactly. Grabs it from a nearby CDN server, maybe in the same city. This makes the site load much, much faster for everyone, no matter where they are. It feels instant.
Makes sense. Faster loading, better experience. So speed and reliability are covered. What about security? That's the nightmare scenario. Getting hacked, what assurances do you get?
Huge concern, yeah. They offer what they call enterprise-grade security. That starts with the basics, like HTTPS and SSL encryption for secure connections.
Standard now, pretty much.
Right. But more importantly, they provide multiple layers of DDoS protection and have teams doing 247 security monitoring.
DDoS protection?
Yeah.
Just quickly, what is that shielding you from?
A DDoS attack, distributed denial of service, is basically when attackers flood your website with tons of fake traffic from many sources.